Good morning. My name is Shlok Laghane and I am studying in 8th standard. My partner name is Alok, Sarda, Rushikesh, Kaste. And first I will say thanks to our school president Mr. Tambe sir and our HM Mr. Ramot sir and my class teacher Sarika Dokte miss and the organizer of Maths Day Mr. Kholase sir.
First, my project name is Mass TLM Working Model of Modification. Now, see. Now see, here is plus into plus is equal plus. Now we move this. There is plus into minus is equal minus. Minus into plus is equal minus. Minus into minus is equal plus. But what is multiplication? Is the process of calculating the total of one number by another. Now see this example. 7 into 3 is equal 21. 8 into minus 4 is equal minus 32. Minus 9 into 6 is equal minus 54. Minus 6. Finish. Thank you and have a nice day.